Welcome to the world of Aarogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Aarogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Aarogya portal provided to you with Aarogya HMIS.
Hello everyone. Now I will show you how the billing works under different billing sections. Let's start with the Take Care Bill, Professional Non-TPA and Take Care Bill, Non-TPA as well as the Take Care Service Billable. These billing types apply only to non-TPA patients, meaning the patient does not have a TPA, that is third-party administrator coverage. For example, the patient Mini Nair is not a cash patient, she is a TPA patient, so these non-TPA billing sections do not apply to her. I'll show you how the billing services do not appear for Mini Nair under these sections. If we check the services added for her, they will not be listed here because she is a TPA patient. To view the correct billing, we need to go to the Take Care Bill, Professional TPA section and add Mini Nair as the patient. Previously, we had added a few services for her but later cancelled them, which is why you will see some services listed with negative quantities. For example, we have now added a leg exercise service and the total bill including the previous entries is showing as Rs 80,100 for settlement. The bill also shows the unit details and any cancelled services will be marked with a -1. We will cover the TPA Billing Module in more detail in another video. Now let's move on to the Daycare Billing Non-TPA. I'll choose a patient named Shubhamd. He has taken an anti-aging treatment package and also paid a consultation fee. The total bill is coming to Rs 16,501. This is how the professional non-TPA Daycare bill looks. If a patient wants a professional bill, it can be generated from this section. Similarly, for non-Daycare non-TPA bills, you can add the patient's name and the services they have taken, including consultation will be shown. Once you have saved the record, the final will be displayed with all details. Now let's look at the daycare service bill. When you add the patient's name here, the system will show the services taken under billable charges. If any service was cancelled, it will be shown as -1 and the bill will only include the charges for services actually taken. For example, as I showed earlier in the Daycare Non-TPA section, the anti-aging treatment and consultation fee for Shubhamd is total of Rs 16,500. This is how the Daycare Service Billable section will appear.
Thank you for watching.